guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually recently went to a drugstore and purchased some makeup, and I thought of sharing it with you guys and what I feel about what all I have bought. Before getting started guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if not already done, and also hit that bell icon so you can remain updated with my latest videos I post every week, and also be part of my YouTube family. So now without any further delay, let's just jump right into the video. First thing is the Rimmel eyeshadow palette. It has couple of matte shades and couple of metallic shades. It's 001 Keep Calm and Wear Gold. Yeah, so these are the shades right here, and they're very beautiful shades. I can show you the swatches for some of them. I use them a lot. So this is a darker one. So these are great. So the next is Rimmel BB cream, and this is in the shade, this is a matte BB cream. This is in the shade light, I guess. Yeah, this is in the shade light. And I actually have used it couple of times. I am really not very impressed. This is definitely not good for the people with the dry skin, but I have a combination skin and this really makes my skin look very dry, so not a fan of it. But yeah, I like the Maybelline BB cream more. The next is the NYX brow kit, ECP02 dark/brown it says. It's a cute kit for a beginner basically, and I am a beginner. I'm not a, I can't fill my brows really well. So this has a little gel thing also, and two shades, which I believe this is a darker brown and this one is a ash brown type kind of a shade. So, and it has two small brushes, one to fill your brows and the other one is a spoolie brush. So I really like it, and I've started trying, filling my brows. So that's it, yeah. And now next one is definitely my favorite product. This is Rimmel Scandalize Retro Mascara, and I'm telling you guys, this is the best mascara I've ever come across. I've tried couple of Maybelline mascaras also and the e.l.f. one also, but this one is definitely the best. Actually, I've not applied the mascara, so I can show you guys how this looks. This is very good, and you definitely do not need the false lashes after this. I can show you how it feels. And I'm just doing a single coat for this one. If you do like couple of, you don't need false lashes at all. Actually zoom and show you guys how this one feels. You got to try this guys. And actually that's the best, my favorite product from the drugstore purchase. Yeah, and then I have this Rimmel Stay Matte setting powder. It says long lasting pressed powder, and I am in the shade 001 transparent, and this is a nice setting powder. I really like this one. So that's it. And then I have liquid liner. I actually like it, but I am not a pro at liquid liners. So, and this has really thin tip. Can you see? A really thin tip. So I'm not sure, maybe somebody who's a pro at eyeliner, especially the liquid ones, can try this one and would definitely love it. I like the liner, but the wand is really thin for me. Yeah, and then I got the Milani Conceal Perfect foundation. This is a 2-in-1 foundation concealer, and it says you do not need a concealer with this one, and I'm in the shade 02 Natural. So this comes with this little pump thing where you can, pump out the foundation. So I have used this, and this is really nice, but I feel this makes my skin dry. I have a combination skin, so I have to mix a good moisturizer with it, or I have to really moisturize my face thoroughly and then only use it, because it makes my skin a little dry, definitely. But this is a good drugstore foundation, and moreover the added benefit is you do not need a concealer with this. So yeah, this one. And then Oh my god, this is such a nice product. I got a NYX Born to Glow liquid illumination, and this is so good. I can show you guys how it looks. It's actually a little, a pinky kind of a shade, pinky highlighter, and this is really good. How I like to use it is I mix a single drop, and this is like just one drop goes long way, so I like to mix this much with my foundation, and it gives you such a dewy finish, such beautiful face with, it adds an instant illumination to your foundation. I really love it. This is, and actually you can use it separately as a highlighter also, but I like to mix it with my foundation. I can actually tell you the shade. Yeah, it's L0101 something it says. Yeah, so it's this pink bottle, white pink kind of a bottle, and this is really good. Then I got a Maybelline Fit Me foundation, matte and poreless, and this is by far the best drugstore foundation, and I believe it works for all kinds of skin. It is a matte and poreless foundation, very affordable drugstore foundation, and very good results. I am in the shade 128 warm nude. It actually says it's for a normal to oily skin, so this definitely works for all skin types. So this is the one, and I actually use this one more, the Milani one. I really like this one more. And yeah, then I got a Wet n Wild Photo Focus face primer. This is a good primer, but I believe it's a little drying. It's definitely good for oily skin. Yeah, so that's that. And then yeah, I got two concealers. One is from Maybelline, obviously. This is hands down the best concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it's in the shade 15 Fair Clear. Then I have the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and it's in the shade Natural. This is also a very affordable and a very good concealer. I'm in the shade Natural, and yeah, you can see I have actually used it a lot. I actually got all this stuff like a month back, and I've been wanting to do this video for a long time now, but unfortunately I couldn't, and as you can see I've already used so much of it. Next, matte black liner. It is in the number BEL02. Cruelty free. I'm not sure how true is that, but yeah, it says that, and it's a nice liner. I can show you the color. It's a deep black, nice deep black, and I really like this one. I actually use it on my waterline as well. This is not from the drugstore, but I was really wanting to show you guys this. This is again a gel eyeliner, and this is actually from Rue 21, if you guys have heard about this. But it's a really nice liner, very creamy, very nice liner, and it comes in this little bottle, and it comes with a little brush, and I really like this liner. See, I actually have this on now. Yeah, and I really like you can create different varieties of liner with this one. Smudge it, or you can use it on the waterline also. I can show you the color, how it is. It is also a very deep black color. It's a nice liner. I really love it. And I'll actually show you guys, I'll compare it with one of the liners I got from the drugstore also. I got a Rimmel liner, and I'll show you guys. This is also that, pot liner again, pot eyeliner. And this is also in shade 001 black. This is from Rimmel. And this is again the same thing, but I believe this is not as creamy a formula as the Rue 21, the one I had showed you earlier. This one is a better liner, and I like using this one more. I'll discuss about this Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette. This is a highlighting palette in the shade 320 Catwalk Pink, it says, and it is a beautiful highlighter, guys. It has a combination of lot of shades. I'm actually zooming it and showing it to you guys. It has all the shades, the bronze shade, the gold shade, pink, lavender, lilac shade, everything. Very beautiful liner, and you can actually just swap your brush over it and get all the colors and just place it. It's a beautiful highlighter. It's a very nice natural highlighter. For those who don't want too much of a highlight, this is really a highlighter. And very, very affordable. Very affordable drugstore highlighter. And I got a contour palette also, and from Wet n Wild only, and this is in the shade 749A. This bronzer shade is actually too light for me and it doesn't really work, so yeah. And otherwise it's good. This highlighter is really nice for setting the under eye. Another thing that I got is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray, and this is my first time using a setting spray. And you know, when you go for a night out parties, you sometimes when you have to carry your makeup for long, you really need this spray. And I'll tell you, this works really, really nice and in, you know, holding your makeup. And this is Seal the Deal 301A. It's really nice, and it works even for the eyeshadows if you want them for the, especially the metallic and the glitter ones. If you want a good payoff, you should always wet your brush using the, you know, setting spray or fixing spray. So it works for that also. Really good setting spray, I like. Now I actually come to the last two products, and which are my favorite lip colors, and this one is definitely not from the drugstore. This I got from Forever 21, and I wanted to include it in this video. So yeah, I'll show you guys this also. And this one is my damn favorite lipstick from Milani. It's in shade 74 Matte Darling. Beautiful pink shade, guys. I just love it. I actually don't have any lip color on, so I'll just try this one for you guys. It is a beautiful pink shade. I just love this one, and it's a matte lipstick, so I'm a fan of matte lipsticks right now. So yeah, you guys can purchase it and try it for your, it's not drying at all. Yeah, and the second one is this matte lip gloss from Forever 21 in shade number 12. It says Red Rogue. Move this one and I'll show you guys how this one feels. The other one, I actually like it for a red, you know, for a night out party. It's a beautiful red basically, and it's a nice red lip gloss. Yeah, so this is the shade, and I really like this one. A beautiful matte red color. So yeah guys, that's about it, and I've almost ran out of all the products. So a couple of these products I'm using for the first time as a product also, like the setting spray and all I have never used before. You know, my favorite from the drugstore purchase, I would say definitely this eyeshadow palette, the mascara, oh my god, I love it, and yeah, the Milani lipstick. These three are my best picks. And let me know guys in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products and what do you guys feel about it. And I'll link all these products below. So see you next time. Bye guys.